Hey everybody, YouTube here, throwing this video together to show you it's brutal out here. Really brutal. I mean, it's only like 20 degrees. Erie PA, icy. I seen a thing on Facebook this morning. It was a donkey. Said my ass is cold. I can only imagine. Hope everybody's having a wonderful end of middle to end of February. This weather really needs to end. This coldness, I think we got like another at least 4 to 5 weeks of this. That being said, just everybody be careful when you're out and about driving in this stuff, as it is treacherous. Erie PA, icy roads, be very careful. Just put a steering box on my truck and steering arm control knuckle from my steering column to my steering box. Put a brand new Pitman arm. Got the steering done. Now I can work on the other stuff. I don't know if I want to continue plowing, as this is very hard on your vehicle. I guess if you had a bulldozer, it would be different. Heading down to get some Circle K coffee, as Pilot coffee is not available. They are on remodel construction phase. There's no coffee available at Pilot Travel Center, Erie PA, State Street exit. So if you're heading there to get coffee, you might want to divert yourself. This is very slippery. Didn't want nobody coming over that hill and get me. Wow. There's no way out. Erie PA. This is Pine Avenue, Gore Road. Turn on the heat now a little bit, as the truck is starting to give me some temperature. We're at 149. My truck runs at 180, so we're getting there. About 5 miles later. 5 miles coming over the highway later, and we're only at 149. I know it's brutal out. hope everybody's having a blessed day. Keep your head up. Be humble. Stay positive. As this weather depresses us, it fills the air with negativity. Like them watering houses or watering whole places. They're legal to be there, and then you get in trouble for going there. I don't like stuff like that. If you're gonna drink, you want to stay home. There's no reason why they have that like that everywhere. Get your alcohol and go back home. Run in here and get some Circle K coffee. For you Southerners in Florida, people in southern state places, you wouldn't believe how rough our Circle K is. Look at this place. Look at this place. Talk about a rough Circle K. Ah. I mean, it's in bad shape. Look at this. Look at this. This building. It's just in bad shape. Till next time, that's all you need to know. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. God bless.